Welcome to this in-depth and comprehensive tutorial on harnessing the power of shape tools in Adobe Illustrator. Throughout this extensive guide, you will learn how to effortlessly create an array of basic and advanced shapes, including rectangles, circles, polygons, stars, arcs, and spirals. These shape tools offer unparalleled precision and ease of use, making them essential tools for any designer's creative arsenal. Moreover, you'll discover the art of manipulating live shapes, fine-tuning corner settings, and uncovering various tips and tricks to optimize your design workflow. Whether you are a novice seeking to master the basics or a seasoned professional looking to expand your creative horizons, this tutorial has invaluable knowledge to share. Step 1. Accessing the shape tools. Open Adobe Illustrator. Launch Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Access the shape tools. In the toolbar on the left side of the screen, select and hold the rectangle tool, shortcut M. A flyout menu will appear, revealing various shape tools. Finding other shape tools. To access additional shape tools, click on the small arrow icon at the bottom of the toolbar. A panel will expand, displaying more shape tools. Drawing basic shapes. Drawing rectangles and squares. Select the rectangle tool, M. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle. To draw a square, press the Shift key while dragging. Drawing rounded rectangles. Choose the rounded rectangle tool from the flyout menu. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rounded rectangle with smooth corners. Drawing ellipses and circles. Select the ellipse tool, L. Click and drag on the canvas to draw an ellipse. To draw a circle, press the Shift key while dragging. Drawing polygons. Select the Polygon tool. Click on the canvas and a dialog box will appear where you can specify the number of sides for the polygon. Drawing stars. Choose the Star tool from the flyout menu. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a star. In the dialog box that appears, specify the inner and outer radius and the number of points for the star. Drawing line segments. Select the Line Segment tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a straight line. Drawing arcs. Choose the Arc tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw an arc. In the Arc Segment Tool Options dialog box, set the arc's length, direction, and type, open or closed. Drawing spirals. Select the Spiral tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a spiral. In the Spiral dialog box, adjust the radius, decay, segments, and style of the spiral. Modifying shapes. Scaling and rotating live shapes. To scale a live shape, drag any of its 8 bounding box handles. To rotate a live shape, move the cursor toward an anchor point until you see the rotate icon and then drag. Moving live shapes and creating pie shapes. To move a live shape, drag its center point widget to the desired area. To create a pie shape, drag the pie widget of an ellipse. Adding or removing sides from polygons. To change the number of sides of a polygon, drag its side widget. Changing corner radius of live shapes. To change the corner radius of a live shape, drag any live corner widget. Reshaping corners with live corner widgets. Select the Direct Selection tool, shortcut A. Drag a live corner widget to automatically drag all corners, or select and drag a specific live corner widget. Adjusting corner settings. Double-click a live corner widget. In the Corners dialog, set the corner style, corner radius, and type of rounding. Tips and tricks. If you need to change the corner radius of a rounded rectangle, draw a regular rectangle, and then use the Effect Convert to Shape Rounded Rectangle option to adjust the rounded rectangle parameters. To hide or view live corner widgets, use the View Hide Corner widget or View Show Corner widget options. To enhance the live appearance of objects when you work on them, select the following option. Edit Preferences Performance Real-Time Drawing and Editing, Windows. Illustrator Preferences Performance Real-Time Drawing and Editing, Mac OS. To hide live corner widgets for corner angles greater than a specified value, select the following option. Edit Preferences Selection and Anchor Display Hide Corner Widget for angles greater than, Windows. Illustrator Preferences Selection and Anchor Display Hide Corner Widget for angles greater than, Mac OS. In our Adobe tutorials, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, empowering you to create stunning digital artwork. Edit photos like a pro, design captivating layouts, and bring your creative visions to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, our easy-to-follow instructions will elevate your skills and boost your confidence in using Adobe's powerful software suite. Our ITMaster community is a vibrant and supportive space for creative enthusiasts, professionals, and learners alike. As a member, you'll have access to exclusive content, early access to tutorials, and the opportunity to engage with fellow members in discussions and Q&A sessions. Join our community to connect with like-minded individuals, share your insights, and be part of a collective journey towards mastering Adobe software and Windows 11. Thank you for choosing ITMaster as your learning hub. We look forward to having you as a valued member of our community. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting tutorial. Until next time, happy learning! Thanks for watching ITMaster channel. Please like and subscribe ITMaster channel.